Hello, today I am with iPhone XS and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to transfer data from the iPhone to the Samsung. So open the application, I just download, copy my data, click next on the both devices, click to from Android device, so there's searching and define it, so click here, copy data to selected device, and now we have to input 2138 code, click next again, and now just choose what you want to send. I go for the camera photos from the iPhone to Samsung, and as you can see, iPhone is sending photos and Samsung is receiving. So here it is, click finished, and right now when we go to the files, we will find the photos sent from the iPhone. Here we have the images, and they are here, pictures. We can open with gallery always. And those are these three pictures that I sent from the iPhone to the Samsung. So yeah, this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.